Welcome to All-in-One YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about authentication methods of VPS and RDP. This is the fourth video in series of VPS and RDP. So, let's start our video. First, let's talk about what is authentication. Remember, when you are going to log into your PC and home, you type account name and password. That is authentication in simple way. In VPS and RDP, authentication is very important because if it's not, anyone can access your VPS or RDP. VPS and RDP uses different protocols. So, they have different authentication methods. RDP uses RDP protocol. RDP uses password authentication method. This means you type account username and password for accessing RDP. This is same as your Windows PC and home. VPS uses SSH protocol. SSH uses two authentication methods. First one is password authentication. This means you type account username and password for accessing VPS. Special about password here is its same password for accessing root user account. In Linux, root user account has administrative privileges. Second one is SSH key pair authentication. SSH key pair are public key and private key. Public key must be on SSH server side. This means it must be on VPS server. Public key file has pub file extension. Private key must be on SSH client side. This means it must be with you. Private key file has key file extension. From this video, our theory lessons are over. In next video, let's see practical usage of these theories.